Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, white cup. It originally looked like Sapporo Ichiban Miso. I want to say it's spicy miso, but the more I looked at it this morning, and the more I looked around this morning, the less I thought that. Noodle block. Gargantuan amount of seasoning. Alright. And we've got boiling, violent water. It's the kind of water you don't want to eat straight out of the pot. We got 3 minutes on the timer. So, how's everybody's day going? Pretty happy over here. Like I said yesterday, I went to the doctor and had good things to say, so yeah, this is the second of 2 reviews that I'm doing today. I want to tell you the results of all the weigh-ins and all the junk, but I can't. Oh, I can. It should be... The video should be done by then. The Ramen Raider Diet Episode 2, which will be, instead of how I lost 65 pounds in 6 months, what was it? How I lost 132.9 pounds in 12 months? I remember the second time, that on the day that it was 1 year since I talked to my doctor, I ended up being down another 67.9 pounds. So, yeah, 132.9. That's pretty good, right? So much for plateauing and diminished returns and it getting harder. Thank you, naysayers, but no, I don't have time for that crap. Anyways, but yeah, I'm down from 365 to 2. Maybe I got the numbers wrong. I'm down to 232.1 is what I was on the 18th, and then today I was 233.5. Today I got weighed like early in the morning, and usually when I have an appointment it's like late in the afternoon, so that's one thing of this whole diet that I've done, is I really haven't paid attention much to numbers, except for like in great long periods of time, because they go up and down so much. You can start the day and end the day 10 pounds down, you know. All it has to do with hydration, because water is like so quick to load up and drop. So yeah, but I started out size 48 pants, and I need to get some more pants, which will be size 32. I'm wearing like I'm wearing pajama pants now that are sized medium. Yeah. I was wearing 2X. It's weird. I don't feel right wearing something that's called medium. That's just strange. I don't understand. That ain't me. But I mean, at the rate it's going, I'm gonna have to get like small underwear. That's odd. I'll at least always have medium. That just sounds like a bad thing. What do you... Oh, I wear small underwear. That doesn't sound good. From my perspective, at least. But, whatever. Alright, so... Anyways, enough of that. Yeah, I'm stoked. I lost a lot of weight. I'm healthy. My doctor's like... congratulating me left and right. I'm like, dude, it's what you told me that one day. He's like, I didn't have to do anything. You had to do all the hard work. I'm like, nah, you had a lot to do with it, man. I blame it on him. Nice guy. Dr. Yang. And everybody calls him Dr. Young, but it's not. He's Taiwanese. It's Y-A-N-G. It's not Young, it's Yang. Like the guy running for president. It's not Andrew Yang. It's Andrew Yang. So. Okay. Miso though? Is this really supposed to be miso? I'm getting a kimchi bump. Look at all that. That's good. I like that a lot. I don't know if you can hear that beeping. That's my old Bluetooth speaker running out of juice. Anyway. Yeah, so been a really good day. I hope you're having a good day as well. I hope my wife's having a good day. She's at work and she's sick. I mentioned that I saw something at the store. It's like, hey, they got my drinks. They're cheap. Blah, blah. Do you want me to stop at the store on the way home? I'm like, no, just come home. But I got a special prize for her. She said for Christmas she wanted a, what do you call it? A 5-quart, it's like a saute pan. It's like tall, but like a skillet. Like, that's really all I want for Christmas. We gotta set a budget for Christmas. She says that every year. I try to get her as much stuff. Last year she got me a brother for Christmas, and I'll elaborate on that more as time goes by. But quite literally, that's what ended up happening last year. Gotta be like, what? What are you talking about, Ramen Raider? It's true though. She got me a brother for Christmas. She got me an Ancestry DNA kit. And as it turns out, I had a brother that I didn't know about, that my family never told me about. Well, didn't tell any of us kids about. And now it's kind of a weird thing, because that's something that wasn't supposed to be known, and there's like weird family junk about it. But all I can say is I've got a really cool brother who's 20 years older than me, and we talk constantly, and it's been a life-changing thing in this last year. And I'm at the point now that I just want to tell everybody all about my brother, so I'm gonna start doing that gently. But yeah, my mom's not really like stoked on the whole thing. Like, it's like, sorry. You just have to deal with it. But yeah, I'll be more forthcoming about that soon. Hi, Mimi. How are you? I'm happy. Oh, and the speaker died. Yeah, it died. It ran out of batteries, so it's dead. Poor speaker. Alright, and there we are. No rotato today. I'll do that up tomorrow. But yeah, what do you think? That looks good. This was actually really tasty stuff. It's like a really savory, nice miso. So, let's see here. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Is there anything special you want to tell the nice people?
Nice people.
You want to talk to them?
No.
No? You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, say it again. Say bye-bye.